What's up, you guys? Alex Nunes here, and today I'm gonna do a review. So this is the Lego, DC, and Marvel. So this is the so this is the Heroes Assemble. Here we have Hawkeye. Here we have Classic Hawkeye. Here we have Galactus, Nova, Felix, um, Redheaded Felix, Cyborg, Yellow Deadpool, and Robin Hood or something. Like, I don't know what its name is. So anyway, this one sent me in the mail, so it did not come with the boxes. And I know that these guys are look cool. And forgot to look this one up. And yeah, so anyway, these guys are look cool. So let's check a look at. And first, we're gonna check at Hawkeye. So let's check out the stand. So Hawkeye is he look, and the glasses he look like, yeah, it's silver. He have red. Like this one, he don't wear glasses from the movie, so he just wear without his glasses. So nothing in the back, just only Hawkeye's face. So anyway, he comes with a symbol like this. So yeah. So and oh yeah, I forgot. The archer. This one like he's an archer. The Hawkeye is the archer. So in the back you see that there's arrows. It don't come with arrows, it just come with yeah. So anyway, sorry about the train. Hold on, let's wait for the train go. Alright. Oh sorry. I knock Galactus. So oh sorry. My bad. Sorry about it, guys. Alright. Here we have Hawkeye, classic Hawkeye. I like classic Hawkeye. He looked like from the classes, like if you see the show called Avengers Earth Mice Heroes, like or something, and he had the archer like this one has the archer. And hold on, just hold on. So this Hawkeye, I already customized him. It did not have the archer, so I'm just asking that this one. How about like the this Hawkeye can hold it like this, like something like, oh yeah. So I know I was thinking that I'm gonna switch Hawkeyes, switch the from the movie. How about I'm gonna do that later? So this one. So this one, he looks cool. And I'll switch the um the arms. So I'm just asking. So here we have this. He comes with the symbol. It looked like from the comic book, like or something. Yeah. So anyway, that's for classic Hawkeye. Here we have Galactus, and yeah, he looked like from the game. Yeah, he looked like the Galactus. Like if you see the game or the movie, they don't made a Galactus movie. Like yeah, he looked like from the movie. Galactus looked like Galactus, and he comes with spear. He don't wear a spear. He just wear nothing. He just want to destroy the earth, like or something. So anyway, this one, look at his eyes. Look, look. It scares you? Alright, sorry about if I scare you. You can leave a comment. So, alright, here we have Nova, and yeah, he looked like from Ultimate Spider-Man, and yeah, he'll have other face printing, like he could be on the Avengers Revolution. Here we have red-headed Felix. So it just comes with the poison ivy thing, like what she looked like she looked like from the Franklin Jaden X-Men The Last Stand. Like yeah. She looked like Franklin Jaden. Yeah, Franklin Jaden she looked like she was from Taken, she was from House of Haunted like or something like I Spy. She was from Franklin Jaden's from I Spy. Yeah, alright, so that's it for Felix. Here we have Cyborg, and he's black. Cyborg's black. And you can see he has the laser thing, like he's in the back, and like and you have that nigga. So yeah. So anyway, here we have Yellow Deadpool. Yeah, Yellow Deadpool. He has the swords. Like he could wear like the swords. Like yeah, like this. See that's it's cool out there. He wears the sword like this Deadpool. And here we have Robin Hood. Last one is Robin Hood. So I forgot to get rid of this. So anyway, here we have here it has the cape is very softer, and I cannot take off the mask. So anyway, where's the hood? Like yeah. Anyway, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give a comment, check out some trailers, check out my channel, like check out my brother's channel. So anyway, this one I will just switch the arms, this one with the arms, this one the face. So anyway, have a nice day on YouTube. Bye, homies.